Good morning, all of you. Hi, students. Myself, Neeraj sir. As a math teacher, I welcome you all in this tutorial. Dear student, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 4, playing with numbers of class 8 math, and this is part 1 video. In this chapter, we are going to discuss first generalized form of a number, coding and decoding, number games and puzzles, magical square, magic square of 4 into 4, and the divisibility of numbers. So student, today's topic is generalized form of a number, which is exercise 4.1. So in this part we are going to discuss generalized form of a number, that is exercise 4.1. Yes student, exercise 4.1, first question. Write the following numbers in generalized form. So see here student, here number is 90, two digit number. This is ones place and this is tens place. So 90 is a two digit number, so it can be expressed as this 9 is at tens place, so we write 9 into 10. Okay, at unit place 0 is there, that's why we write simply 9 into 10. Next, 507. 507 is a three digit number, so look here, this is ones place, tens place 0, and 100 place 5. So it can be expressed as 5 at 100 place, so we can write 5 into 100. Tens place number is 0 and unit place is 7, so we write 5 into 100 plus 7. See one more question, F part 999. Here you can see at ones place 9, tens place 9, 100 place 9. So 999 is a three digit number, so it can be expressed as 9. This 9 at 100 place, so 9 into 100. This 9 at 10 place, so 9 into 10, and this 9 at ones place, so 9. So we can write 9 into 100 plus 9 into 10 plus 9. In this way you can solve remaining part. Yes student, question number 3. A number consists of two digits of which tens digit exceed the unit digit by 3. The number is 7 times the sum of its digit. Find the number. So student, first we let the unit place digit is x. Then look here, tens place digit is exceed the unit digit by 3. Means unit digit is x and it exceed by 3, so x plus 3. So unit digit x, then tens digit x plus 3. Now number formula is 10 into tens place digit plus unit place digit. So we write 10, tens place digit is x plus 3. So at this place we write x plus 3, unit place digit is x, so we write plus x. So student, look here, 10 into x, 10x, 10 into 3, 30. So 10x plus 30 plus x. Now look here, 10x plus x, 11x plus 30. So number is 11x plus 30. Now according to question, number is 7 times sum of its digits. Sum of its digit means unit place digit plus tens place digit. So we have right here number 11x plus 30, 7 into sum of digits means this digits, tens place digit, unit place digit, x plus 3 plus x. So we write here 11x plus 30 equal to 7 into x plus x, it becomes 2x plus 3. Now 7 into 2x, 14x, 7 into 3, 21. So 11x plus 30 equal to 14x plus 21. Now you can shift this 21 this side and 11x this side. So 30 minus 11x equal to 14x, and this 11x that side minus 11x. So 30 minus 21 9 and 14x minus 11x 3x. So we can write 3x equal to 9. Why? Because 9 equal to 3x. So we can write 3x equal to 9. So x equal to 3. The value of x is 3. Now required number equal to, our number is this 11x plus 30. So we write 11x plus 30. Put here value of x. So it becomes 11 into x. Means value of x is 3. 11 into 3 plus 30. 11 into 3, 33 plus 30. 33 plus 30 becomes 63. So find the number. So required number is 63. Yes, student. Question number 4. Find the value of x, y, z in the following problems. This is sum 3xy plus z24. Answer is, sum is 900. So student, look here. Y plus 4 equal to what? This is 2-digit number 10. So we write here y plus 4. Y plus 4 equal to 10. So y equal to, we shifted this 4 this side. So y equal to 10 minus 4. So y equal to 6. So 6 plus 4 is 10. Okay. So 10 means we write here 0 and carry forward 1 here. So here you see x and 1 carry is there. So x plus 1 plus 2 equal to 10. So x plus 1 plus 2 3, x plus 3 equal to 10. So x equal to 10 minus 3, which is 7. So value of x is 7. 7 plus 2 9 and 1 carry 10. So 0 is here and 1 carry here. This 100 place. So we write 3 plus 1 plus z equal to 9. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus z equal to 9. So z equal to 9 minus 4. So it becomes 5. So z equal to 5. In this way we have to solve. So we can write value of x is 7. Y is, value of y is 6 and value of z is 5. So this is the answer. We find the value of x, y and z. Now see one more question. 4xz plus y 7 8. Sum is 1 2 1 2. So here you see z plus 8 equal to 2. 2 means 12. So we can write here z plus 8 equal to 12 and find the value of z. So this 8, so z equal to 12 minus 8, 4. Now you can see here 1 carry is there. So we write x plus 1 carry plus 7 becomes 11. So x plus 1 plus 7 8, x plus 8 11, x equal to 11 minus 8 3. So value of x 3. Now look here. So this is 11. So 1 carry moving forward at 100 place. So 4 plus 1 plus y equal to 12. So 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus y 12. So we can write y equal to 12 minus 5, that is 7. So x equal to, value of x is 3, y is, value of y is 7 and value of z is 4. So you can write like that. You can solve like that. Okay. Yes, student. Question number 5. Find the value of x, y, z in the following problem. Earlier we seen addition. Now this is subtraction. 9xy3 minus 243z equal to 7131. So student, you look here. 3 minus z equal to 1. So we write here 3 minus z equal to 1. 3 equal to, we shifted the z RHS side. So 3 equal to 1 plus z. So we can write this 1 plus z equal to 3. So z equal to, we shifted this one that side. So z equal to 3 minus 1, that is 2. So value of z is 2. Now see here, y minus 3 equal to 3. So we write here y minus 3 equal to 3. So y equal to this minus 3 shifted to RHS side. So it becomes minus 3 becomes plus 3. So y equal to 3 plus 3. So y equal to 6. And last, see here, x minus 4 equal to 1. This x minus 4 equal to 1. So we write here x minus 4 equal to 1. Now this minus 1 shifted to RHS side. So it becomes plus 4. Minus 4 plus 4. So x equal to 1 plus 4. So x equal to 5. So we can say that x equal to 5, y equal to 6 and z equal to 2. This is the final answer. Clear? See one more question, C part. Y 6 5 z minus 5 4 2 9 becomes 4x x 4. So students, see here, z minus 9 equal to 4. So z equal to, we shifted minus 9 that side, it becomes plus 9. So z equal to 13. So this 3 is the value of z and this one carry forward to that side. Okay, so the answer of z is 3. Now see here, 5 and we have taken here carry, 1 carry. So 5 minus 1 minus 2 equal to x. So minus 1 and minus 2. 5 minus 3 equal to x. So 5 minus 3 equal to 2 equal to x. So value of x is 2. See one here also, 6 minus 4 equal to x. So 6 minus 4 is 2. Here also value of x is same. So value of x is 2. Now look here, y minus 5 equal to 4. So we write y minus 5 equal to 4. So y equal to this minus 5 shifted to RHS side. So it becomes plus 5. So y equal to 4 plus 5. So y equal to 9. So we can say that x equal to 2, y equal to 9 and z equal to 3. This is the final answer. In this way you can solve subtraction. Yes student, question number 6. Find the value of x, y, z in the following problems. Earlier we seen addition, subtraction, now it's multiplication. 5x multiply y 9. So when we multiply 5x into 9, answer is 522. When we multiply 5x into y, answer product is 174. And when we add these numbers, it becomes z262. So we have to find the value of x, y and z. So student, look here. When we 9 multiply 5x, when we multiply 9 into this number 5x, answer is 522. So obviously you can see here 9 here we can put the value of it. So 9 8 is 72, 7 is carry, and 9 5 is 45 and 7 becomes 52. So value of x is 8. So number becomes 58. Now see here, this number becomes, because value of x is 8, so this number becomes 58. Now 58 into y becomes 174. So 58 into y 174. So y equal to 174 by 58. 58 3 is 174. So value of y is 3. So this is 58 multiply 39. Now see here, this 5 plus 7 12, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 equal to z. 1 plus 1 equal to z, 2 equal to z. So value of z is 2. So x is 8, y is 3 and z is 2. Okay, see one more question. 4x5 multiply 7, answer is xy x975. Product is x975. So students, see here, 7 multiplied to this, when we multiply 7 to this number, answer is this x975. So you can see here, 7 5 is 35, 5 is here, we have carry 3. Now which number you have to multiply in x place, so that answer becomes 7. So obviously we have to take 2. So 7 2 is 14, plus 3, it becomes 17. So number is, when a value of x is 2, so number is 4 to 5. So here 4 to 5 into 7, it becomes x975. So value of x is 2, so 2975. So product is 2975. Yes student, in this way you can solve multiplication. Yes student, now question number 7, last question, exercise 4.1. Find the value of x, y, z in the following problems. Now we are going to solve division and find the value of x, y and z. 15 divided by 3xy. So here 2z is q part, and this is divisor, this is dividend, and this is answer. So here you can see, here you see x minus 0 equal to 2, x minus 0 equal to 2. So x equal to, shifted this 0 RHS side, so minus 0 become plus 0, 2 plus 0 2. So value of x is 2. Now see here, y minus 5 equal to 2. So y minus 5 equal to 2, y equal to, shifted this 5 that RHS side, so it becomes 2 plus 5, y equal to 7. So value of y is 7. Now look here, this 15, when we multiply this 15 z times, answer is 15. 15 z is 15. So 15 into z equal to 15. So z equal to 15 by 15 1. So value of z is 1. So here you see value of x is 2, y is 7, and z is 1. So this is the final answer. See one more question. This, here you see, when we multiply this 3 into x7, 3 multiplied x7, answer is 51. So obviously easily you can say that by which number you multiply 3 so that the answer is 51. That number is 17. So look here, 7 is here, 1 is missing, so value of x is 1. So divisor is 17. Okay, now look here. Here you see y, when we shifted this y, when we moving down this y here, it becomes 9. So answer of y is 9. Now look here, this is 17. When we multiply 17 into z, answer is 102. So 17 into z equal to 102. So z equal to 6. So you can say that, so x equal to, value of x is 1, y is 9, and z is 6. So in this way you can solve this division. So students, that's all for today. Have a nice day.